welcome back to my channel. I am Kita's Creations, and if you are a newbie to my channel, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep those notification bells on so you will not skip a beat. Seatbelt for real. You really do need to get your seatbelt, but I can't find his damn leash to attach it to the seatbelt. Sit down, sit back, and sit down. Sit back. He on his way to get a haircut. If I stop, you better sit on that floor. I stop on these brakes, your ass gonna be flying through this damn front seat. Oh, okay, good. He's sitting on a little pillow. He's good. What's up, y'all? How did y'all like that vacay vlog? I know it's been like about a week since I posted, but how y'all like it? Let me know how y'all feeling about Temptations. I love that resort. I do. Today I'm just gonna be running a couple errands. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I need to start being more consistent. And I mean I'm fair, but I need to be more consistent, you know, to help my channel. So I'm just gonna be doing some errands, and I guess y'all gonna be coming with me. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna drop him off, like I said, to go get a haircut. And he's going early because I gotta go run somewhere else, and then go pick him up after I finish doing what I gotta do. And I gotta check my volume on my camera, because in my last vlog, I don't know what happened to my voice. Like, the volume was just completely gone. I don't know what happened to it in that footage, and I'm not liking that, because if I putting out all this footage and then I have to edit it, and to come to find out I ain't got no damn volume on it, and I can't hear myself, is a problem. So I'm gonna run my little errands, take him over to haircut, and I'll be back. Please don't start it. Please don't start it. You've been here a million times. Please do not start. Please don't start. Don't make these people have me out looking like a bad parent. Wait. Because I don't know where the hell all your leashes are. Wait, Cannon! Calm down. I'm gonna kick your ass. Cannon, wait. This leash gonna fall. I'm gonna have to pick him up. Come on. I gotta pick him up, y'all. Because let me fix my camera. Because you wanna be all that's crazy. Hello. I have to hold him because his leash won't come off. I don't know where his leash is at. Every time we take him out, my son, I don't know where he put him. He's like losing, so I'm gonna get him another one. Yeah. Same haircut? Yeah, but can you keep his tail? Can you keep it like fluffy? You sure? Because it be looking like
that's what I'm touching
trying to take.
Now. Yeah, I don't feel any mats on it. So.
Yeah, I was feeling it too, and I had been brushing it. So.
All right.
See you. Peace out. Same number.
All right. 480-0977.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, look at you. Cute dog. All right. So now let me try to run. He gonna at least be about a couple hours. So I'm trying to run to my next destination. Oh, please don't. Yeah. So let me hurry. I'll be back. So my baby ain't even start to get grown. They didn't even start him. I dropped him off at 11:15. It's now 2:20. I called and checked on him because I'm like, he normally don't take no more than about an hour and a half. And I'm like, I'm worried. So they didn't even start him. They still working on somebody else. So in the meantime, between time, he need a leash. So you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. You know my favorite place. Oh no, my favorite place. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I just love it. Oh, they got the little cute Easter stuff. I'm gonna make a wreath. Oh, I can make a wreath. That's how I'll be putting my wreaths together. Like, I'll take that, right? I'll take this right here, and I'll take that, and then I'll connect it, right? And then I'll put some at the bottom, and then I put like bows and stuff all around, and that's how I make my wreaths. All kinds of stuff. I like the wood stuff. I like the wood. I like when they have like the mesh and the material. It kind of look like a little bit high end when you put it together. These do too. You gotta know how to put it together though. Oh, look at this. This is cute. This would be a cute wreath if you add on to it. Like, say if you take this and like put it right here. Like, put it like that. You gotta be creative though. Like, I make all my wreaths, my Valentine's, my Christmas wreaths. These a little cute too. Like, to have like just lying on the table with like a candle, something like that. Am I giving y'all a Dollar Tree haul? The stuff that I like, that I didn't buy yet. See, I came in here for a leash for the dog. I'm not for looking. These little things are cute too. I want to do a DIY. I want to do a DIY. I want to. See, that's why I like the Dollar Tree, because I can get real crafty. Or the cheap. Let me find my baby a leash. I don't know where his leashes be. I like when they load it. Let's look down this aisle. Let's see what's going on. Something smells good over here. Is that a candle? Something smells good over here. Is that a candle? Is that this? No, it's not that. It smells like something really good. That might be these. It smell like it smells like that. I don't know. Look at me. Let me look for his leash. Buy him a damn leash and a toy. He's not an extra large. My baby is small. And they discriminating. Why they gotta have the medium look like this and then the large is looking all cute? He's not even a medium. I think he's a small, but the medium be falling off his neck. It's really gonna be falling off his neck because he's cut. I get one of these. And Dang, I don't got no small leashes. We need a bag of these. I need a damn leash. Like, y'all kidding me? I'm about to go ring with a cat leash. These got all colors. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. That's bull. That's bullshit, bitch. Y'all don't have any small leashes for the dogs? Like the smaller ones? You only have large, extra large?
That's it.
That's it?
I don't have the small ones. They only sent me an all large this week.
Oh.
If
Okay.
you need a dog leash, Holly's has got them. It's down at Granite Road, and they got them.
Next door they got them too, PetSmart. But I don't want to pay $10. I want to pay $125. I guess he can use his leash. This leash heavy for his neck. I don't be choking this shit. Alright, y'all, so come to the conclusion that I think I am doing a little haul. Must have limited hygiene products. Now these right here, these I do love. They go around the cuckoo, not in the cuckoo, but they are good. If you're sensitive, I am sensitive, but for me, for some reason, these don't bother me. This Dove body cream is so good. Like the what I want to say, like the name brands, they'll have like small, compact, you know, not much in them. But this is good for $1.25. So good, I love it. Hydrates my skin, and I do buy this all the time. It's not just because I need a video to show y'all, but I do buy this all the time. Carefree liners, 20 of them in this pack, $1.25. Why not? Need something quick? There you go. And their name brand. The variety of soaps. Now they don't have the one that I normally use, of course. Y'all know, probably. Y'all been with me for a while. You know I use Dove. But they have Caress, and I don't use it down in my area. I use it on my body, but I also like the body wash too. $1.25. Sometimes I come here and get like a bar of soap when I'm like on vacation, and all I need is one. So I don't know about this Yardley. I never tried it. I don't know about I never seen nobody like or anybody using it. They have like oatmeal and almond and hemp seed oil. I don't know. It gotta be like the more shea butter. I don't know. Probably they trying to do, you know, get on the more natural side. I don't know. Now this is one of my favorite little departments too. Of course, toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, and this is what I use, Ultra Bright. I'm pretty sure y'all seen it on my blogs, but this is made by Colgate. And a lot of people be like, oh, you use Ultra Bright. I'm trying to find it. See right there? Right there. Colgate. See that? Palmolive Company. Do y'all see that? It's made by Colgate. www.colgate.com. And you get a big tube. And you see a lot of them here because people are stuck on Crest and all that, which ain't nothing wrong with it, but I've been using this for years. And then I'm gonna show y'all, put y'all on my mouthwash. I'll take this right here and this, and I'll add peroxide, and these two together and peroxide is a gem. I'm telling y'all, I've been doing that for years. And people always ask me why my teeth are so white. Because I use, that's the 3 things I've been using. The peroxide, the whitening mouthwash, and the antiseptic mouthwash. And the cheap one. So I wouldn't even beat myself up on like, oh, high-end stuff, because I've been using that shit for a long time. And yeah, and what I do clean, if y'all have like retainers, this is what I use to clean our retainers. Right here. I just drop them in the container. Put one of these babies in there. Let them suzz, and then I scrub them with a toothbrush that you do not use in your mouth. Just use another regular toothbrush. Scrub it out. Pop them right on back in. Yep, and I had my retainers. It'll be a year in April. I had my braces. I had my braces off. It'll be a year. So, they've been doing good. They didn't turn or anything. I've been doing that. I don't need none right now because I'm thinking I'll get one, but I don't need none right now. So, yeah, y'all better get y'all some mouthwash and mix that stuff on up, honey. Because I've been using it. Toothbrush. I don't need no toothbrush. This is the one I currently have right here.
Can I get through here? Thank you.
This is what I have right now. And I use these. And I use the one right here. 2 for $1. $125. Get on it. I am calling the dog support abuse service on my dog groomer. Yep. Sure is. Yeah, I am. My dog been there since 11:15. It's 3:45. How the hell that makes sense? So is it a deduction? Like how don't they know I wasn't on lunch break or something? You know? Am I getting a friendly reminder of a discount when I come? Yeah, you're reminding me that I got a discount coming. Waiting. I tip y'all well. I think I need a deduction from your tip today. Y'all gonna have to get deducted. Yeah. I'm about to pick my baby up. I know he cold. He probably hungry. They don't feed him. I know they don't give him no treats because he be starving. He be thirsty. Like, damn, y'all giving him a bath, just let him lick the water. Shit. I did a few other errands too earlier today. But I didn't take y'all along because some things is just meant to be left alone. You get me? And when it's that time for me to tell y'all, then I'll tell y'all. Right now, I don't think it's time for me to tell y'all. So we're just gonna keep it like that, right? Like, we're gonna keep it like that because I don't want to block my blessings. But y'all know, y'all will find out. Not now, but y'all will find out. You know, I'm not giving no hints or nothing, but you know, I've been up since 6 o'clock in the morning on my day off. 6 o'clock in the morning. 6. Seems like on my day off, my days is not off. Because I'm always running around. But after I pick up my dog, I'm going back home. And I already started preparing dinner this morning when I woke up. I seasoned my meat, put it in the refrigerator, and then when I come home, all I gotta do is take it out, throw some onions and peppers on it, and put it in either the air fryer, one of my gadgets, or the oven. Your 2 sides, call it a meal. So I'm gonna pick my baby up now and go home. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I pick my baby up. But I know they probably cut them bald. They skipped my baby. I'll be back. You hear my voice? I know. Yeah, look at you in there in that little stroller. Don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you.
Look at you in that little stroller. You don't care what all that fussing for. All that fussing. Where's my baby? Where he at? Okay, all right. All right, everybody just calm down. Everybody just calm down. Kenny! Look at you. I brought you a new leash. So was his tail? Was his tail matted?
Nope. That's as long as we. It's already pretty short, so it just needs to grow. I guess from last time. So
Yeah.
we
Okay.
can't make it any fluffier, but
Yeah, right.
next time. If
Thank you. Okay. Well, damn, I can't even get.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Cannon. You look cute, Cannon. You look cute. Cannon, you look cute. You look cute. Come on. Can you get? Jump. You can't. Come on, I help you. You really need your little, I must have to start carrying you, just keeping it in here. Yeah, your car seat. Look at you. Yeah, it's Kenny. You happy you got all that hair? They could have left your hair, your tail on a little longer. Look at that. Let me see your tail. They could have left it up. Because before it used to come over like a little ponytail. I got a scarf for you. I have a scarf for you. Are you going to keep it on? Huh? It ain't nothing in there. Look. It just ain't nothing in there. You hear bags. I got a scarf for you. Where's it at? What's behind it? You going to keep it on? It's cold outside. I should have brought your jacket. I should have brought your jacket, Cannon. Got a scarf for you. Yeah. Yeah, I do. I got a scarf for you. I know. I'm not supposed to use my teeth, y'all. Oh shit, I can't even get it with my teeth. There we go. Let me put it on there. Come on, let me see. Let's see how you look now. You gotta show people how you looking now. Look. Let me see how you look. Show them how you look. You like it? Let me see. Say smile. Smile. Hey. Say hi. You like it? Do you like it? You like it? He likes it. Alright, I'm about to go home. I'll be back. Peace. I am back at the house. It feels so good to be home. Don't it feel so good to be home when you coming back out from outside when it's cold and muggy and cold? I'm good. I'm good. So, I gotta put these groceries away. Like I said, I'm gonna start. Put this. Put some rice in my canister. Yo, I've been neglecting my house so bad. So bad. Like, I've just been so busy. In a good way, though. Like, my house is not being neglected. Like, oh my God, you got like. But I've been busy in a good way. Being productive, making moves. Oh, shit. And, y'all, if y'all seen my vlog when I went away, y'all seen my tree was still up. I'm just putting Some rice in my canister. My tree was still up, but the decorations was off. Now, the decorations are sitting in my front room, waiting to go to storage. Waiting to go to storage. It's your ass thirsty, huh? Huh? You thirsty? They didn't give. See, I told you I don't give them nothing to drink. You thirsty? Thirsty? It's not that bad. I shouldn't let you see. I'm embarrassed. Oh well, whatever. It's not that bad. Like, this is the stuff from Christmas. It's the tree, Christmas stuff. This basket don't belong here. Just the right there. And you know, that's what I gotta put in. The storage is just that. It ain't big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. Let me show you. I found these mats at Burlington Coat Factory. These pretty mats, and I had put, you know, I redid my table a little bit. I still have the dust over there a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Rearrange some things. So, yeah. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. As long as it's getting vacuum. Well, I don't have carpet in my front room. Swept, mopped. My bathrooms are clean, sanitized, disinfectant. And as long as I keep stuff as at a minimum of when I'm cleaning, you know, or stuff everywhere. Everything can be all over the place. Like, one part of the house may be a little bit messed up. And then, you know, the house supposed to be livable. Alright? Damn. House supposed to be livable. So I'm about to this vlog is not gonna go no further because I'm getting ready to cook. I'm getting ready to cook, and I already have it seasoned. Let me show you my chicken. And I made some llama beans last night. What was the damn thing? I made some llama beans last night. The chicken been marinated this morning. Oh, I made some llama beans. I made some llama beans. About to turn everything down. Down! You hear me? I'm gonna make some rice with that and some cabbage with that chicken. And that's gonna be a wrap. Let me soak my rice right now. Let me soak you, boo. I need a new pan set. I got all old pans. I need a new pan set, but I don't even want to get rid of my pan. I don't. I'm gonna take it out the bag because I just filled that up. I don't. I do need a pan set, so I might get me one. I am going to need one because I want to organize everything. Like, I be trying to organize so much stuff. At our house, we eat 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice. And I soak it. Maybe a little bit more. 2 cups of rice. I soak it. But yeah, I'm not. This vlog is gonna be small, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all off of here. Like, I'm gonna keep on in. When I get in the house, I start doing shit, and then it'll be all another whole vlog, another 3 more vlogs that I can break up. But no, for real, because I gotta do a couple things, and I gotta focus. So thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. We growing. I appreciate y'all. I really, really, really do. Yeah, y'all. I got so many things coming up, and so many things planned, and stuff that I'm into. I'll share it with y'all. I will. You know, like I said, I'll share it with y'all. But yeah, until we meet again, my friends, I love y'all. Peace safe. Peace safe. Peace safe. Be safe. Be safe. Be safe. I love y'all. Be safe. Peace out.